I'm Travel Grandma, and if you've watched my videos, especially the one that I posted this past week, where the Gadget Queen shows us a refrigerator freezer hack with water bottles that she uses, well, setpower sent me a freezer, 20 quart, could be, I think it's a 21 quart, yeah, 21 quart, and let's see what the difference is. Now this is actually a freezer and not a refrigerator freezer, because the temperature, it says, goes from -4 to -20. So you couldn't use this as just a refrigerator. It is specifically a freezer. Let's check it out. I'm going to do a little unboxing. It's packaged very nicely. And I was also sent this AC adapter. So we'll check out and see how this works as well. It's packaged very, very nicely. This, I love the color. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful avocado green here. I'm going to actually set this down and put it on the table. So here's the cord, and it's a 12-volt cord. Comes with a manual. Very nice size. It looks like it might have straps. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. I don't see any straps in the box. So what these are for, I'm not sure. But it looks like you can open it either way. Let's try switching it around. Yeah. Very easy. I love that aspect of it. Super easy. Whichever way you'd like to have the door opening up, depending on where you want to put it. It's got a nice seal all around it. Nice handles. Looks like this is where the cord goes. So let's go ahead and plug it in. And I will need to use the adapter. I'm going to go ahead and put this in like this. Plug this. Just like so. And I have a plug right back here. It'll go down to -4, and I can hear that it clicked on, and it can go up to, yeah, it looks like 20 is the max before it, oh, 21. 22, oh, let's see. Oh, no, it does go. It goes lower, 40. Oh, maybe it is a refrigerator as well. That's deceiving. 68 degrees Fahrenheit is the most. I'm surprised because it does specifically say freezer. So I guess it is a refrigerator and a freezer. So that's nice. It's very pretty. The size is nice. The size is, has all the specs here on the side here. It's 24 pounds, not too bad. It's 24 by 13 by 13. So this is 24, so it's 2 feet by 13 this way and 13 this way. So it'd be great for a minivan. You have to decide where you'd want to put it. It's nice and slim. It's a nice size, really nice size, good utilization for it. For the size, you could get quite a bit of things in here. So it's an either or. It's a refrigerator or a freezer. I thought it was just a freezer. There you have it.